New Delhi is using every brutal tactic as well as hatching sinister designs to muzzle the freedom voice of people in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. But the Kashmiris are determined to defeat every Indian plan and carry on their struggle against all odds. India, the world's so-called largest democracy, is denying basic rights to the people in the occupied territory, and in order to intimidate them into submission, its army and other forces personnel have intensified coordinated search operations, raids and arrests in the occupied territory. The main purpose of Articles 370 and 35A revocation by the Modi regime is to settle outsiders in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and annihilate the Kashmiris' identity. Modi was imposing a systematic demographic change in the Muslim-majority territory by selling land to outsiders. 185 outsiders have bought land in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir in the last 3 years, and the Modi regime has also admitted it in the parliament. Allotting the land of Kashmiris to the Indian citizens and investors is aimed at settling outsiders in the name of investment. Dozens of government employees, mostly Muslims, were terminated or suspended from their services on fake charges and their supporter right to self-determination, while hundreds of properties, including houses, lands, offices and schools, were seized by the Bharatiya Janata Party regime in the territory since August 2019. India can't stop the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir people's march for freedom by gagging their voices of dissent and resorting to nefarious tactics as they are united to defeat every Hindutva design in the occupied territory. They are demanding their right to self-determination as guaranteed by the United Nations resolutions, and the day is not far off when they will get their birthright and break the shackles of Indian slavery. At the same time, the world community, including the United Nations and big powers, must not remain unresponsive from what is happening in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, as they are duty-bound to stop India's brazen violations of international laws in Kashmir and use their clout to let Kashmiris speak what they want.